Is that's the hook? No joke, is that?
I don't know. What do you want to say?
I don't know. That's what I was trying to think of the joke.
We're not that funny though.
Nobody laughs ever.
No. What's up, everybody? It's Clinton and Fab with Team Haig at Remax Saver. This is your March 2021 version of Boring Real Estate Stats.
Yes, hi everybody. So what we're seeing is we're a full year now, back to March of last year when the lockdown started. We saw some dramatic increases in sales from last year. Just to give you a little bit of the numbers here. So for detached homes, we saw 1,965 sales, average days on the market, 27. We saw townhouses at 1,046 sales with average days on the market of 19 days. And the apartment sales at 2,697, average days on the market was 28. The big number here that you're probably, you probably would know, and maybe not exact numbers, but what's been happening is that in March 2020, there was 2,524, right when the pandemic sort of hit and the lockdown happened. In March 2021, this year, we saw 5,703, an increase of 126%, which is also to note an increase of the 10-year average at just over 70% above the 10-year average. So even all in all, without the pandemic, it was still a very busy month for sales. We are starting to see a little bit more listings and activity out there.
Yeah, definitely. The sales to active ratio for March 2021 for detached houses was 52.9%, for townhomes was 79.9%, and for the condominiums was 65.4%. So basically, like we've been saying since about June of last year, is it's still a seller's market. In the areas that we work, we've really noticed that if houses are priced for market value, they're selling immediately, very, very fast. It's still a great time to sell if you're a seller. Buyers still get some deals out there, but it's definitely a bit more challenging. But where we're working, there's no signs of it slowing down right now anyway.
Yeah, and we did see that, a lot of homes, there are some buyers I think that have been discouraged. We're seeing that, we were seeing 16, 17, 18 offers on some homes, and I noticed as of late, we're starting to see still multiple offers, still prices going above the asking. There is a strategy out there of people listing a little bit on the lower side sometimes to get these multiple offers. And we're seeing, 3, 4, 5, or 6 offers instead of 20. I think another thing to note, to let people know, is that we've noticed that some people are listing their homes on the higher side of that range, or sometimes even within that fair market range, and they're not getting a crazy amount of offers. And one thing to consider there is that might be an opportunity to write an offer. So if you're a buyer out there looking for something, call us and we can talk about those properties, and those ones aren't going into multiple offers, because the tendency is that a lot of people are thinking, I think, that if they see a price that seems maybe fair, they're thinking, well, it's going to go for
no point in even trying.
Way over, and then it doesn't, and then so it's almost like a missed opportunity, I'd say.
Yeah, definitely. So there are some hidden gems out there like that. So give us a call. We're happy to come and walk you through the process in this crazy market that we're in. Hopefully next March it'll be a little bit more easier out there and less masks, but yeah. We'll see. 1 year down. We'll see what we can do next month.
All right. Give us a call if you have any questions.
Take care, guys.
Bye-bye.